Many of us carry a heavy burden, not just daily stress, but a deep worry about our heart health. It's a weight that sits quietly on our shoulders, sometimes barely noticeable, other times impossible to ignore. We wonder if every ache or flutter means something more, if every stressful day is pushing us closer to a problem we can't see coming. The confusion is real. One day fats are bad, the next they're good. It's overwhelming. We're bombarded with headlines, advice from friends, and endless online articles that seem to contradict each other. Should you eat eggs or avoid them? Is coffee a friend or foe? It's hard to know what's truly best for your heart. Subtle signs, like fatigue or getting winded easily, can spark anxiety about our hearts. Even a simple walk up the stairs can leave us questioning if we're doing enough, or if something is wrong inside. These small moments of doubt can grow, making us hyper-aware of every heartbeat, every short breath. A doctor's warning about blood pressure or cholesterol plants seeds of fear. Suddenly, numbers on a chart feel like a ticking clock, and every checkup becomes a source of anxiety. You replay the doctor's words in your mind, wondering if you're on the edge of something serious. Suddenly, every meal and every stressful day feels like a risk. You start second-guessing your food choices, feeling guilty for every indulgence, and worrying that one wrong move could tip the balance. Even celebrations and family dinners become moments of quiet concern. Medications help, but often feel like a bandage, not a cure. You take the pills, hoping they're enough. But deep down, you wonder if you're just masking the problem. The routine becomes part of your life, but the uncertainty never really fades. You follow orders but don't feel truly healthier, just managed. The routines, the restrictions, the constant reminders to be careful, they start to feel like a cage. You want to do the right thing, but it's hard to feel hopeful when progress seems slow or invisible. Is this all there is? A lifetime of pills and worry? You find yourself lying awake at night, wondering if you'll ever feel carefree again, or if this is just the new normal. The fear of what might happen can be just as heavy as the risk itself. Deep down, you crave a real solution, a way to feel strong, energetic, and in control again. You want to reclaim your life, to move beyond fear and uncertainty, and to trust your heart to carry you forward with confidence and hope. My friend Mark, a devoted family man, felt trapped by his heart health struggles and endless medications. Every morning, he'd line up his pills, hoping they'd bring relief, but deep down, he wondered if he'd ever feel truly well again. The weight of responsibility, his job, his family, his future, pressed on him, and the uncertainty about his health made it all feel heavier. He tried diets, but nothing worked, leaving him defeated and confused. He'd read articles, watched videos, and even joined support groups online, but every new plan seemed to contradict the last. Mark would sit at the table, staring at a plate of food he didn't enjoy, wondering if he was missing something crucial. The frustration grew, as he watched others make progress, while he felt stuck in place. One night, he admitted, "I feel like my body is failing me, and I don't know how to fix it." It was a raw, honest moment, one that revealed just how lost he felt. I could see the exhaustion in his eyes, the toll that years of trying and failing had taken. It was more than just physical, it was emotional too. That hit home. So many people feel this way. It's not just Mark. Across the country, millions silently struggle with the same fears and doubts, feeling isolated in their journey. The sense of community is often missing, and the stigma around heart health can make it even harder to reach out for help. Searching for answers, I found the Healthy Heart Solution Kit. Not a pill, but a doctor-created program promising a natural, root-cause approach. It stood out from the endless stream of quick fixes and miracle cures. This was something different, something that didn't just mask symptoms but aimed to address the underlying issues. It focused on food as medicine, stress management, and gentle exercise, a holistic, sustainable path. The program encouraged small, manageable changes that could fit into any lifestyle, no matter how busy or overwhelmed you felt. It was about building habits that last, not just following a strict regimen for a few weeks. What really struck me was the emphasis on self-reflection and daily intention. The kit encouraged journaling, tracking progress, and celebrating small victories. It wasn't just about what you ate or how much you exercised. It was about your mindset, your support system, and your willingness to grow. The program wasn't about quick fixes, but real transformation. It promised gradual, meaningful change, helping people rediscover energy, confidence, and hope. The stories of others who had walked this path were inspiring, showing that lasting results were possible. I dove in, hoping to find a solution for Mark and others like him. I wanted to understand every detail, every strategy, so I could share it with those who needed it most. The more I read, the more I realized this was about empowerment, giving people the tools to take control of their health. The more I learned, the more I saw this was different. Supportive, educational, and empowering. The program fostered a sense of community, connecting people who understood each other's struggles. It was about lifting each other up, sharing successes, and learning from setbacks together. It promised to teach you how to be healthy from the inside out, not just for a season, but for life. The focus was on building resilience, nurturing your body, and finding joy in the process of healing. The idea of a solution kit felt like finally having a map out of the woods. For the first time, there was a clear direction, a step-by-step guide that made the journey feel possible, even for someone who had lost hope. For the first time, hope felt real. Not just for Mark, but for anyone searching for a natural, lasting path to heart health. This was the beginning of a new chapter, one filled with possibility, support, and genuine transformation. The Healthy Heart Solution Kit isn't a pill or gadget, it's a digital doctor-approved lifestyle program. It guides you step by step to naturally improve your heart health, focusing on diet, stress, exercise, and natural supplements. Created by Dr. Scott Saunders, it's built on the idea that your body can heal itself with the right support. Instead of just lowering numbers, it aims to restore your whole cardiovascular system. The program is easy to follow, breaking down complex ideas into simple, actionable steps. No extreme diets or workouts, just gradual, sustainable changes. It's about empowering you to take charge of your health and change your story. Dr. Scott Saunders, the creator, is a UCLA-trained medical doctor who saw the limits of conventional medicine. He watched patients juggle medications without real healing, which led him to explore holistic approaches. As director of the Integrative Medicine Center of Santa Barbara, he blends science with natural therapies. His philosophy: treat the person, not just the disease. He believes high blood pressure and cholesterol are signals, not root problems. The Healthy Heart Solution Kit is his way of sharing years of clinical experience and research. It's a bridge between medical science and natural healing. Dr. Saunders offers a trustworthy, compassionate solution for lasting heart health. The Healthy Heart Solution Kit is a complete toolkit for your journey. At its core is the 3-phase heart disease reversal plan, a step-by-step guide to healing your heart. The Healthy Heart Cookbook makes eating well easy and enjoyable, with meal plans and grocery lists. The fiber counting cheat sheet helps you track one of the most important nutrients for heart health. My Healthy Heart Journal keeps you motivated, tracking your progress and goals. Each tool is designed to make healthy changes simple and sustainable. Together they create a supportive ecosystem for real transformation. You're not just managing symptoms, you're building a healthier life. The Healthy Heart Solution Kit addresses the real causes of heart issues, not just the symptoms. By reducing inflammation, managing stress, and nourishing your body, you heal your cardiovascular system from within. This approach empowers you to take control, shifting you from passive patient to active participant. The program is natural and safe, no harmful side effects, just positive changes. People report better heart health, more energy, improved sleep, and a brighter mood. It's not just about numbers, it's about feeling truly well. Real-life success stories prove this method works. You're not alone. Others have walked this path and found hope. Change is possible, and you have the tools to make it happen. Every day, real people from all walks of life are making incredible changes with this program. These aren't just statistics or anonymous testimonials. These are your neighbors, your friends, and people just like you who decided to take control of their health and well-being. Their journeys are filled with hope, determination, and the courage to try something new. Take David from Ohio, for example. For years, he struggled with high blood pressure, feeling overwhelmed by the number of medications he had to take each day. The constant worry about his health weighed on him, and he often wondered if things would ever get better. But after starting the kit, David noticed a real difference. His energy soared, he felt more motivated to get outside and move, and his doctor was so impressed with his progress that he reduced David's medications. For the first time in years, David felt hopeful about his future. Then there's Maria, a loving grandmother who wanted to be there for her grandkids. She managed to lower her cholesterol naturally, simply by following the program's easy steps. Her doctor was amazed, no statins needed. Maria now enjoys cooking healthy meals and feels proud of her achievements. Robert, a busy business owner, was constantly stressed and worried about his blood pressure. He decided to try the program's relaxation techniques, and soon, he noticed his blood pressure readings start to normalize. He now feels calmer, more focused, and in control of his health. These stories are just a few examples of what's possible. People who once felt trapped by fear and frustration are now living with renewed hope and confidence. They've discovered that change is possible no matter where you start. People of all ages and backgrounds, young professionals, parents, retirees, have found a better way to care for their hearts and their lives. They're spending more time with loved ones, enjoying the outdoors, and celebrating every small victory along the way. While everyone's journey is unique and results can vary, the inspiration is real. These stories remind us that we're not alone, and that support and encouragement can make all the difference. The program offers more than just advice. It provides hope, a supportive community, and a proven path forward. With every step, you'll find guidance and reassurance. You don't have to settle for a lifetime of worry or frustration. There's a way to move forward, to feel lighter, and to look ahead with optimism. With the right tools, support, and a little determination, you can reclaim your health and write your own success story, just like David, Maria, and Robert. The Healthy Heart Solution Kit's biggest strength: it's doctor-created, science-backed, and natural. No risky drugs, just proven lifestyle changes for lasting results. The kit's supportive tools make healthy living achievable, not overwhelming. Plus, there's a full-year money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free. The main challenge? It's not a quick fix. Real change takes commitment and effort. You'll need to prepare meals, manage stress, and stay consistent. If you want a magic pill, this isn't for you. But if you're ready to invest in your health, the rewards are real. The program is only available online, not in stores. Success depends on your willingness to take action. You've seen the struggles, the hope, and the tools offered by the Healthy Heart Solution Kit. This is your chance to move from fear to empowerment and invest in your future. Imagine feeling energetic, enjoying life, and leaving health worries behind. The kit gives you the map and guidance, but you must take the first step. There's a special offer and a full-year money-back guarantee. No risk, just opportunity. Take this step for yourself and your loved ones. Click the link to learn more and claim your kit. Always consult your doctor before making health changes. Your well-being comes first.